Hello viewers, are you facing Instagram more option not showing in sensitive content control section? In this tutorial, I'll tell you why Instagram more option not showing in sensitive content control section and how to fix it. So let's start. Viewers, Instagram recently updated its safety policy to automatically hide the more option for users under 18. That means if your age on Instagram is below 18, then the more option will not show on your account. So first check your age on Instagram, and then if your account is flagged as a teen account, you may need to go Family Center and verify your age using ID or video selfie to unlock more option. After following all these steps, if you still facing the issue, then follow next step. Go to Play Store and then tap on search app. Now search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram app in latest version. After completing update process, now go to Instagram. Tap on profile icon. Tap on three line icon. Now scroll down. Find help option. Now go to help option. Tap on report a problem. Again tap on report problem. Tap on include and continue. Here describe your issue in details. After describe your issue, now send report. Just tap on send. Hopefully this method will fix your problem. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.